Today I'm going to be doing my first ever unboxing for you guys. Okay, so this was pretty mad today. I went to the what is it called? Orange and District Bow Hunters Incorporation. It is so cool, and I highly recommend you guys going. My brother, he loves playing video games, but we took him and he loved it. So anyways, yeah. So, you can find me on Snapchat, you can find me on YouTube. Well, this is what it's practically all about, a YouTube video. So, I'm going to surprise you guys with a little bit. So, you can get, stubby holders, you can get shirts, like what I've got now. And they're not very far out of what's in it. Now, I got my new bow. Not from them, but a guy who goes there did it for me. I'm not going to mention his name because he might not like it, but anyways. Oh Jesus Christ, just stay there. Okay, sorry for this blurriness. Okay, I got these really mad arrows. So they're like blue on them, and they're black. So I thought I'd just show you guys. I learned a lot more, actually, when I went. Okay, this is my diamond, archery carbon edge bow. It is a compound bow. It's very cool. I'll be doing a lot of videos with it, mostly bow hunting. But oh jeez, but it is at oh god. They don't feel nice after you've shot it like 800 times. But I highly recommend you go. If you're like a young archer, or like me, you want to get into bow hunting. I'm starting to get into bow hunting more than I ever did. Yeah, my brother's just playing the video game. No. 8%. I can't hear yes, I can hear it perfect. Anyways, that was our first ever unboxing for this YouTube channel. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.